There is a graph which gives composition of our tax revenue for a period of 2 decades. 2 decades means 20 years. So here the time frame is given. It is, you can see, 1990 to 91 till 2011, 2010 to 2011. So this is the duration given, and here the tax revenue given, percent of gross tax revenue. This is the scale given. So we have to answer few questions. The question is shown here, so we'll see the answer straight because I don't want to prolong the video. Direct taxes means corporate and income tax, and indirect taxes means service, custom and excise taxes. So the first question is, in the given period, revenue from direct taxes as percentage of gross tax revenue has increased. So what are our direct taxes? Direct taxes are basically corporate tax and income tax. So the corporate tax, if you see, it is shown with the help of these dotted lines here. So dotted lines graph is this. So it is increasing because here it was 5% and here it has reached 45%. So it has increased over 2 decades. And personal income tax, it is shown with the help of these regular dotted lines. So this is also generally increasing. So this statement is correct. The second one is, the trend in revenue from excise duty demonstrate that growth in manufacturing sector has been negative during the given period. So excise is here a regular line, and you can see the regular line, the trend is dropping. But the UPSC questions are not so simple. Here, although the percentage of tax revenue has been dropping, but it is not negative, because here if you see, initially it was 45 and subsequently at the end of second decade it has reached to the level of 20. So 45 minus 25 is 15, which is plus. And if the growth was negative, then this graph would have gone down in negative zone. If you see the all four axes. So if it was here, somewhere here, then it would have been negative. But since it is ending here only, so it is still positive. So this statement is wrong. So our answer is option A, 1 only.